If you've ever created a useful Jira filter, but your teammates keep asking, can you share that with me? This video is going to solve that forever. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make any Jira filter public in this full step-by-step guide. It's simple, it's quick, and it'll instantly boost your team's workflow. So let's dive in. Before we start, remember that Jira filters are incredibly powerful. They help you pull up very specific sets of issues, like unresolved bugs, tasks assigned to you, or upcoming sprints. And when you make a filter public, your entire project team gains access to the same information in seconds. No more screenshots, no more repeating steps, no more confusion. All right, here's how to make your filter public. First, open Jira and head over to the Your Work section. This brings you to your main dashboard where all your recent activities and shortcuts live. From the top menu, click on Filters. This is where all your saved queries, shared filters, and team filters are organized. Next, choose View All Filters. This page displays every filter you've created or have access to. Now find the specific filter you want to share. Once you see it, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Edit. This takes you to the filter settings. Here, look for the Editors section. You'll see a privacy option that's currently set to private. This means only you can see the filter. To make it public, simply switch this privacy setting to Project. Once you do that, Jira will ask you to choose the project scope. Click Select Project, then pick the exact project where you want all members to access this filter. This ensures the filter is shared only with the correct team and not your entire organization. After selecting the project, hit Save. And that's it. Your filter is now public and visible to everyone in that project. This one small change can seriously improve collaboration, reduce duplicate work, and make sure everyone is using the same accurate information. And there you have it, the complete guide to making a Jira filter public. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on advanced Jira filters next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.